Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into a versatile piece of equipment, the portable massage table facial SBA bed tattoo from Shopper Choice. Let's get right into it. First off, this table boasts a generous length of 84 inches, providing ample space for clients to stretch out and relax. It's divided into 3 sections, allowing for customized positioning during massages or facial treatments. And let me tell you, the rectangular shape ensures stability and comfort throughout. One thing worth noting is the brand's attention to detail. The care instructions couldn't be simpler: just wipe it down with a dry cloth. No fuss, no hassle. Plus, there's no assembly required, which is a huge time saver. Straight out of the box and into action, that's what we like to see. Now, let's talk about the design. The sleek black finish gives off a professional vibe, perfect for any spa or tattoo studio. And the inclusion of a carry case? Genius! It makes transportation a breeze, whether you're traveling between appointments or setting up shop at a client's home. But how does it hold up in practice? Well, I'm happy to report that this table delivers on all fronts. It's sturdy enough to support various body types without any wobbling or creaking. Plus, the padding is plush and comfortable, ensuring a luxurious experience for whoever is on the receiving end. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the portable massage table facial SBA bed tattoo from Shopper Choice. It's durable, practical, and stylish, everything you could ask for in a portable massage table. Whether you're a seasoned therapist or a budding entrepreneur, this investment is sure to elevate your practice to new heights. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.